Here are 3 reasons you should encourage your employees to share their enthusiasm for your company on social media. It expands credibility. Most research around word of mouth proves that people that are perceived as more credible and trustworthy sources of information as compared to corporate brands. When employees share their positive experiences with your company on social media, they're more likely to be believed. It makes recruiting easier. Your company's reputation and culture plays a critical role in your prospective employees' decision-making process. When applicants see your employees having a good time and making a difference, they'll be more likely to come on board with you. It multiplies your sales and marketing efforts. LinkedIn research shows that only about 3% of employees on average share company-related content. But when they do, it drives a 30% increase in the same content's overall likes, shares, and comments. Don't be afraid of social media. Let your employees, instead of your marketing department, be your brand's best advocates.